Now that we got that thing inside, make sure the fire's stoked up. The whole floor is soaking wet here because of yesterday's thaw. We got a good fire going. We got the bumper in. We got quite a bit more welding to do on the actual car over here. So let's get some welding done on this car, and then we'll get ready for that bumper to be put on. I did this huge order for some parts that I was missing, and now they're saying that the parts I ordered are on back order. So I'm still waiting on like new axles, new tie rods, all that fun stuff for this thing. So we'll have to see there. But let's get some welding done, and then we'll get this bumper on. We're gonna have to cut the ends off to make it fit though, I know that.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before, and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon.
After a little bit, we got this bumper welded on. It is a fully welded on. We even have our 2x6 plates on the tops, on the sides. We have the bumper caps. We have everything holding this bumper on. If you guys seen from the time lapse, I used the little come-alongs into the hood stops right there to help hold the bumper up. And then I actually hooked a ratchet strap to pull the bumper in to make sure I got as square as possible welds to this thing. I don't know what this bumper's off of. I think it's like a 80s GM. I do know that it's probably going to be flat after one run. There's still quite a bit that we have to do to this thing, and we're probably going to continue that another day. I've pretty much lost motivation today, and what we're going to do now, well, not now, but next time I come out, is probably some threaded rod in this. We're probably going to put 2 threaded rod through the hood, and then drill all the holes for our seat belts. We did put a fuel tank carrier in it today, mostly because it was in my way when I was over there. We built a new gas tank for it, but I set a pump aside for it and it got broken. So I need a new style Camry pump, which means I'll just probably pull a gas tank out of one over there. The problem is all my gas tanks are getting old. I have the little emergency tank that's kind of screwed. I got a Crown Vic pump that I've always loved, but the negative ripped off at the pump. So we are going to have to, it's still a good tank, it just doesn't have a negative. We are going to be having to build some new tanks this year, that's for sure. So I think Steven and I are going to try to build 6 or 7 new Derby tanks this year. And that way we have a whole bunch, because right now we don't have a whole bunch and everything we have is kind of screwed us. As you can see, one of our Derby tanks, let me show you how Steven fixed his. I'll be right back. So that Derby tank there, with all the duct tape on it, is not how you should fix a tank, but it is a way to fix a tank to get you into the ring that day. So that thing's leaking, so it just has to be taken apart, resealed. Half my tanks are leaking, well, I'm gonna say half my tanks are leaking, a quarter of my tanks have bad pumps, and a quarter of my tanks have bad electrical to it. So like, it is kind of they do need to be fixed. So we are going to be fixing those here within the next couple weeks. And hopefully we have a good selection of tanks for this year, because that's the last thing I want to do is try to build a Derby car just like that Beetle and the tank go bad at the track. My emergency tank went bad at the track. So that's kind of upsetting. So we will be getting some fuel pumps out of a whole bunch of cars and building some more here coming up. But I think we got a good amount done on this today. We are probably going to be doing the threaded rod, and then that will be cleaning up the front end. Maybe we'll throw the hood back on. But there's still a lot to be done to this thing, and still a lot of parts that still have to come in. So we'll have to see. I don't know.